Next, let's talk about some string methods. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a variable. I'm going to call it greeting. I'm going to use the classic hello. Let's make it lowercase, hello world. Now I can do some things with this. Let's say I wanted to capitalize just the first letter. Well, in order to capitalize it, so capitalize first letter, we just want to do our typical print. However, instead of printing just the greeting, I can print the greeting dot capitalize like this. And when I hit play, we see at the end, hello world, where the first letter is capitalized. Remember when we created our greeting, it's lowercase, but after that dot capitalize, our H is uppercase. We can also make everything uppercase. So make all uppercase. We do so by printing our greeting again. But before we finish, we want to print the greeting dot upper. Going to hit play one more time. And now we can see our hello world is all uppercase. One thing to note is by using this dot upper, we also need two parentheses at the end. And that's because this is what's called a method, and it's attaching itself to our string. There's a couple of other methods. So let's take a look at those. We can make everything lowercase, so make all lowercase. So I'm print the greeting dot, instead of upper, we're going to say lower. Let's hit play. And now we can see everything is lowercase again. If we want to make each word capital, we can do something called title case. So make first letter of each word capital. We want to print our greeting and dot title for title case. Gonna hit play. And we can see the H and the W are capital. We can also replace things inside of strings. So I can say print, actually let's make another comment. We're gonna replace. I'm gonna print our greeting. However, I'm gonna replace something inside this string by using dot replace. Now, the replace takes two arguments, the first of which is the one we want to replace, and the second one is the one we want to replace it with. In this case, I want to replace world, and I want to replace that with my name. Remember our name variable from earlier? Name. That's what I'm replacing world with. So now when I hit play, we can see instead of hello world, it now says hello Anthony. And there's one more useful thing we can do with strings, and we can get the length of the string. So get the length. We can do so by just saying, I want the len, or the length, of greeting. It's a little bit different. The len goes first, and then inside the len, we put our greeting. Now when I hit play, we see that it's 11 characters long. And that's going to do it for strings. See you in the next video.